Bosporus Strait. Yavuz Sultan Bridge, the son of Sultan Suleiman the Great of the Ottoman Empire. That's Yavuz Sultan Bridge, guys, named after the son of the great Ottoman Empire Sultan Suleiman.